Ever pondered the importance of hydration? It's a simple act, isn't it? Just a quick sip of water. But this simple act plays a vital role in the overall health and well-being of the human body. Imagine the human body as a well-oiled machine. Now, what happens when that machine loses its oil? It starts to break down, right? Similarly, when the body loses water through vomiting, diarrhea, excessive sweating, or even through certain treatments like diuretics that increase urine formation, it leads to a state called dehydration. In this state, both extracellular and intracellular fluid decrease. Think of these as the body's rivers and lakes, vital for transporting nutrients and flushing out waste. When these water bodies reduce, the body starts sending out distress signals. A dry tongue, for instance, is a clear sign of dehydration. Another way to identify dehydration is through a simple pinch test. By raising and releasing the skin, if the skin takes a while to return to its original position, it indicates decreased extracellular fluid. But dehydration doesn't stop at dry tongues and slow skin elasticity. It's a domino effect. The decrease in plasma volume can reduce cardiac output, leading to the potential risk of cardiac failure. Now, the good news is that dehydration can be prevented by taking sufficient amounts of water as fluids. The process of correcting dehydration is known as rehydration. One of the most effective ways to achieve rehydration is through oral rehydration therapy. This involves the administration of fluid to prevent or correct dehydration. A key component of this therapy is oral rehydration salt. The World Health Organization and UNICEF recommend a formula consisting of 3.5 grams of sodium chloride, 2.5 grams of sodium bicarbonate, 1.5 grams of potassium chloride, and 20 grams of glucose. This mixture needs to be dissolved in 1 liter of potable drinking water. The glucose present in the mixture aids in the absorption of sodium chloride and potassium chloride, apart from providing energy. This mixture is administered through the oral route at frequent intervals until the body returns to its normal state. Remember, the water used should be potable, safe, free from pathogenic agents and harmful chemicals, pleasant to taste, and devoid of color and odor. In conclusion, dehydration, while dangerous, is preventable and treatable. The key is to recognize the signs early and to ensure an adequate intake of fluids. Remember, a well-hydrated body is a well-functioning body.